What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this is gonna be a little weird. So I'm actually just editing the video right now that you're gonna be watching this in, and my camera died like part of the way through the intro, and turns out that because it died, it didn't save the intro at all. So here I am doing it now. So if you're new here, I just want to start off with, don't forget to subscribe. A lot of my viewers aren't actually subscribed to the channel, so just, it's super simple. All you have to do is hit that little button that says subscribe. If you're really feeling like it, hit the bell. I think I go over that in the end of this video as well. So today's video is going to be on the Speed, obviously. We just recently got a Stratified Stage 3 tune for it. Stratified is a local tuning company who basically works on cars, or works on tunes for cars that have access ports, I believe. Don't quote me on that. They also do dyno tuning and stuff like that, but they're very big in the MazdaSpeed world. So we use them. It was super simple to get the tune. I just had to go online, order it, say what I wanted, blah, 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 blah. So the car has a pop tune now. It also has launch control, and it's also making like 300-ish wheel horsepower and 386 wheel torque. That's just kind of like what their graph says on the website. Obviously, it's going to be different between every car and fuel and all this, but I think it's safe to say we're around that mark, and man, is it fast, and man, is the pop tune loud. You're going to see me in the next clip. What I was saying when my camera died was, I don't want to risk blowing up the car using the proper launch control, like actually launching the car using the launch control. Yeah, let's just cut to the footage from Mexico and get on with the video. Enjoy. So literally, as I was about to say, don't want to risk breaking the car, my camera battery died. So we're on my phone now. It's very zoomed in. I have to like, Jesus. So yeah, we're just gonna film on my phone for now, probably for this whole video, because I have to upload this in like an hour. So yeah, we're just gonna play around with the pop tune and all that, and then yeah. So with the pop tune, all you have to do is basically, we're on the medium pop tune. We have the loud one on, but it's a bit much, and I don't really want to turn it on right now. But all you have to do is get it above like 3 grand, and then let off, and then tap the gas, or just hold your foot very lightly on the gas, and it dumps fuel in. So it pops a lot, like a lot, and it's a little much sometimes, but this is, like I said, this is only on medium. Loud, all the loud pops you're hearing, imagine that like ×2, and every single time you tap the gas, and very rapidly when you hold the gas. Yeah, Britt's gonna get out of the car and record outside like we always do when we come to Mexico to record videos. and then she'll record me going past. So we're gonna pull over right now.
There's a lot of trucks.
What you just heard was obviously the pop tune on medium, surprisingly. I know it's very, very poppy and everything. And then I just did the launch control. So it does like a spark and fuel cut. I talked to the guys at Stratified about it because, you know, usually when you think of launch control, you think of like the like 1JZs and 2JZs and like RBs that are like, you know, like that. But this has a fuel and spark cut. So what those are is mainly spark cut, and then it dumps a bunch of fuel in, which makes the flames and all the loud banging noises. That's what mine will be like once I have it set up. So yeah, because it's a fuel cut as well, it just does like the, almost sounds like it's just bouncing off limiter. But even though in this car, I don't know how to explain it. Basically, it like constantly spins the tires in first if you just like let the clutch off. But if you like ease it out, it'll actually grip up and go pretty good. So it's pretty fun. So yeah, we are gonna start driving home, and the car is a lot faster now, so I'm just gonna turn around and Britt will record us like driving and like doing a pull. It's a lot faster now. It's pretty wild, hey?
Oh yeah.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really good. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now.
Pop sounds so weird from like standing outside the car.
Oh really? So what's kind of nice about the medium pop tune is that once it gets below 3,000 like RPM, it actually just starts to kind of burble, which also sound really nice. Actually, you know what I'll do? So Britt has a video on her phone of her car when we had the loud pop tune on. We were going through a tunnel that's around, and I'll put it in right now. So as you can tell, it's super almost obnoxious, to be honest. I really like it just because I like being obnoxious, but it's a bit too much for her to be driving around on, especially like we have a lot of cops around here, and
they don't like that stuff.
They don't really like that stuff. So not only that, like we also have an issue with like modified cars and all that as of late, which I've kind of addressed in the video. Maybe I'll make an actual video about it, but yeah, it's not ideal to be driving around like that all the time. Even the medium's a bit sketchy, but it's not that bad. I guess if you don't tap and if you don't let off in like high boost or like higher RPM range, it's not as bad. But yeah, so we're just gonna drive home, and honestly that might be the end of the video. It's gonna be a very short one today, but I missed Friday and I apologize for that. So yeah, it'll most likely just be the end, and we'll see. So we'll see when we get home. Okay, so we're back at Britt's house now. It's way too hot. I was gonna try and do some stuff to the speed, but it's like 30 degrees Celsius here, which is hot. It's very hot. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Unfortunately, it's a shorter video. I'm sorry that I missed on Friday. I will be back on my regular schedule. We just went away for the weekend, for the long weekend, and I kind of just wanted to have a good time there, focus on that, and I think I did a good job, right? We had fun? Yep. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe as well. And I've been told, not told, I've watched other videos and people always say to put on that little bell because apparently the sub feeds, like subscription feeds in YouTube, are really bad. So if you don't hit the bell, then you won't know when I post. And I mean, hey, I think I make some good videos sometimes. So yeah, hit the bell, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the saying. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.